invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's 100% free to subscribe. As a subscriber, you will never miss a video. You are one click away from improving your health. If your health is important to you, click subscribe now. Top 6 Home Remedies for Coughing. Natural cough syrup. Lemon. Lemon has proven time and again that it can handle any type of coughing. It will give you a dose of the much needed vitamin C and also reduce inflammation. To feel its full effects, mix it with a little honey and then take it as syrup every day. It will soon be your #1 natural cough syrup. Alternatively, you can blend lemon juice, mix it with honey and cayenne pepper. This way, you can drink it normally like a regular juice. Milk. The nasty chest pain you have been experiencing during your coughing ordeal can best be reduced by a milk and honey formula. Make sure the milk is hot before the mixing. Take it every night before you hit the sack and you will be alright. After that, swallow a spoonful of honey to clear your throat. Black pepper tea. This is one of the home remedies straight out of Chinese tradition. We all know how good they are with traditional medicine. To turn black pepper into a natural cough syrup, mix it with boiling water and honey. This strictly for those with wet coughs, the one that produces mucus and whatnot. Skip it if your cough is dry. Warm milk. This does not require any complicated mixtures or recipes. All you have to do is boil your milk, sweeten it with honey and drink it. It will help you suppress a cough. Suck a lemon. If you want a simple on-the-go remedy that will only take less than 5 minutes of your time, this is it. Take a piece of fresh lemon, sprinkle salt and black pepper on it, then suck it. A word of caution, this is not for the faint at heart. Ginger. Ginger is a popular one. Most people know about it and have been using it with positive results. You can choose your mode of intake as long as it is comfortable with you. Some people prefer to chop it into small pieces then boil in water. Others just chew it like any other chewing gum. Thank you for watching. I have a small favor to ask you. Like this video with a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family so we can keep the videos coming, and as a final request, please subscribe. Leave a comment when you do saying I subscribed so we can thank you.